work into frog and middle splits if I just have 10 minutes. So watch and learn or follow along. Let's get into it. So I am beginning in a wide-legged forward fold, just dropping my hips side to side, really putting emphasis on a nice flat back, opening up my hips and my hamstrings and getting some dynamic movement going here. I've really been enjoying this twist lately and kind of pulsing into one knee and then the other one. Coming into butt drops, you guys see me do these all the time on my channel. Really great for building heat in the body and opening up the hips. And just so you guys know, I have been practicing frog and middle splits for a very long time. So if you're an absolute beginner, you're definitely going to want to warm up a lot more than me. I can kind of get away with doing a couple movements and then getting into it. So even if you do 10 minutes of cardio before this, that is going to help a lot, just loosening up your muscles and preparing your body for a deeper stretch. So after that, I'm coming into a super wide knee child's pose. I'm not quite in a frog yet. And then I'm rocking forwards and backwards through the frog position. This is prepping the muscles of my inner thighs, my groin, my adductors, all those inner thigh muscles, and just kind of seeing where your flexibility is at today. At the beginning of my stretch session, I always like to test out and see how I'm feeling before I go into a deeper stretch. One of my favorite movements here is this side to side movement in a frog. Lifting up one knee, rotating the hip in and out. Feels so good and really stretches the entirety of the groin. I've been upping my dancing training recently too. All of the floor work, and with dancing we engage muscles that you don't usually in your normal life. All right, now I'm coming into a frog. Just holding and focusing on breathing. Having a nice squishy mat supporting the knees is definitely important here as well. Beautiful work. And I've been adding in these hip circles more into my daily practice. They've been feeling so good just to loosen up the hips and the lower back, get everything moving. Just on the knees slightly wider than the hips, going one direction and then the other. Try these at home, they feel really good. Low lunge. Don't forget about the low lunge, ladies. Very important. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry. I really enjoy doing these circles here. Helps open up the hip flexor. That's the front of the back leg. Holding in that overstance low lunge to really work into the hips. Switch sides. Come into that low lunge on the right side, taking big circles. Holding in that overstance. grab that bolster. If you don't have one yet, you better put in your order because I have been obsessed with using a yoga bolster. It's just so comfy, and I'm very into comfy stretching these days. If you don't have a soft mat and a bolster and a stretchy band, you're just making your stretching more difficult. You should make yourself want to stretch. So I have one leg on the bolster and one on the mat. I also like using the bolster for this frog here because it keeps your entire shin up on the bolster as opposed to the block where you'll notice my heel is always falling down. So I really, really like that about the length of the bolster. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Open the hips. If you feel like your frog is stuck, this is one of my favorite positions to do. And then I'm switching sides. I've been enjoying this circular motion with the upper body as well. Try it out if you haven't. And rotating your upper body from one side to the other can feel really good to stretch out your back as well. Butterfly pose, shake it out.